Hey, folks, welcome to Market Intraday Analysis by InTheMoneyStocks.com, your leaders in pure technical analysis, avoiding all that Wall Street hype. This video for Thursday, June 21st, 2012 is sponsored by Realtic. All right, guys, a lot to cover. Markets are continuing to decline here, massive decline, as in the money stocks, as myself and my partner Nick called for perfectly. Last week we said, guys, the market should trade neutral to higher into Wednesday. Then Wednesday into Thursday, you're going to start to decline, and it is going to be a sizable decline. If you're a member, you made a ton of money off of this call. All right, there were plenty of opportunities out there. I myself shorted the SPY at the 136.15 level, folks. We're down to 132.90 right now as the markets continue to crash lower. This is where it's all at, guys. This is where you make or break, where you can make big bucks or lose it. If you're on the money, in the moneystocks.com side, you are making big bucks. Awesome stuff. Profits continue to flow here. We nailed the bounce. I had my Facebook long, I had my JPM long, and then I reversed and went on the short side in the last couple days. Awesome stuff. All right. By the way, folks, 7-day free trial here at InTheMoneyStocks.com if you want to try us out. The Research Center is for swing traders and investors, and the Intraday Stock Chat is for day traders. Let's take a look at some other keys as the market comes down here. Where are you going to go? Where's your next support? Really, it's right here, to be honest. I mean, you're looking at a possible drop to about the 132.60 level. 132.60 level is your level you're looking at. All right, at 132.60, that's where we start to get a little bit on the interested side in terms of a possible market bounce here intraday. I will play the spiders long at that level. The levels on my chart are extremely accurate. You can literally trade off of them. All right, other stocks I'm watching, USO as a swing trade. If it comes down here, let me show you this right now, guys. It's coming down towards my level. Here's my level right down here. Pivot low from October, early October. Take a trend line, draw it across. You're not quite there yet, but you are getting darn close. That's a great one right there, in my opinion. Okay? What else are we seeing today? What else is getting crushed? Best Buy. Best Buy down almost $13 today. Monster drop on Best Buy here. Absolutely monster drop. Another key level we're watching on that. Believe it or not, there's actually a little bit of a support level here on Best Buy. You can continue to monitor. Let me just see if I can find it here. Hard for me to look, but let me just see if this is it. No, it's not quite. Yeah, I mean, there's definitely a little bit of a level here. See this level? Connect this low to this little pivot, to this pivot, and to this pivot, and look at what you're coming into. So there's actually good support here on Best Buy, right around the 60.5, 60.75 level, and that's for a possible trade as well. All right, there's lots of other trades, folks, but honestly, I got to get back to what the market's doing here. I'm just going to fill you in, and then I got to go back to trading myself because it's too profitable not to trade. Market's continuing to come down, and this is your next level, guys. You will get a bounce here, in my opinion. And again, this is on the spiders, the 132.60-ish level. 132.60, 65 level, that's going to be where support comes in. Looking at a couple other things here. Let me see what else we have. Goldman Sachs is down $2.50. JP Morgan Chase, JPM down 73 cents. I gave out a bunch of levels. Some of our shorts didn't even trigger, which is fine. But I just want to show you this one, guys. This was a no-brainer. I think I even went over it yesterday a little bit. See this gap fill right here? Draw a trend line right across. That was your level this market where the Exxon trade was not getting through. It just wasn't going to get through there. There's no way it's getting through there. Sure enough, look at the drop today. I mean, this is a huge drop on Exxon, folks. Monumental drop on Exxon. All right, you have other levels as well. IBM, what I kept on saying to my members was, as long as you don't close above the 50 moving average here, this thing's going down. IBM down $4.50 today. Holy moly. Monster drop there. I mean, there's just so many key things out there that you could look at. Southern Copper was another one. Take a look at Southern Copper. Want to see something amazing? And this is how we teach. I mean, we teach you guys this stuff. Take that trend line, extend it out. In fact, let me just take a better one. From the absolute top, we want to take it right from there. Look, it matches up perfectly with the high right there. Sells off. Bam, to the downside. Another awesome trade right there. All right, there are so many possibilities out there to make massive amounts of money if you know what you're doing. It's all about whether or not you know what you're doing, folks. If you know, you're making money. If you're not in the know, you're not. Just that simple. Going back to the SPY, let's check in on that again as the markets continue to head slowly lower here. Again, watching very close to this next blue trend line at the 132.60, 65 level. And if we zoom out a little bit, I mean, look at this. We had this great rally, which is what we called for, and we made money on the long side, and then we turned it around and started making money on the short side now, as the markets are quite nicely selling off. All right? So that's the beauty of what we have here as the market continues to dip. Great little sell pressure here in the markets. And I'm going to continue to monitor and make money. Great profitable trading. Whether you're a swing trader or a day trader, I mean, it's just great, guys. It is just fantastic. Okay? What else do I want to point out here? We talked about oil. Gold is getting slaughtered today. The GLD just off the lows of the day here, but down $3.86. SLV I gave out to my members in the research center. I talked about in the nightly videos that I do every single night, and I told them it was a breakdown yesterday. You want to see how you knew it was a breakdown? Look at this, folks. Ignore these other lines. Doesn't even matter. Take this low pivot, connect it right through all the lows. I said when this line breaks on a closing basis, silver's done. SLV's done. Where's it going to go? To this double bottom as first support. Yesterday it breaks. Today it gets crushed. Where does it go? Double bottom. I mean, there's just trades left and right. I can't even fathom it, to be honest. Bottom line is, if you're a member here at InTheMoneyStocks.com, you make money. I mean, as over time, you just make money. You learn the methodology, you really understand it, and you make money. I'm going to go back to trading, folks. I don't mean to make it a short video today, but it's too wild, too much money to be made out there. I encourage you to come join us, take the 7-day free trial to the Research Center and the 7-day free trial to the Intraday Stock Chat. Remember, Research Center is geared towards swing traders and investors, while the Intraday Stock Chat is obviously geared towards day traders. Take care, guys. I'll talk to you soon.